last thing I remember is just saying goodbye to some of my friends before heading out, and then it's blank. I wrote her whiteboard, what happened? And she said, you were in an accident. And I said, or I wrote, is everyone okay? And she says, yes. And then I just remember them snickering, and that was it. And I later asked my mom why, and she said, you were asking about how other people were doing while you were on this hospital bed. You had gone through so much surgery, were unable to talk, were struggling to even pick up a pen to write on the whiteboard. As difficult as the whole thing was, just, not only for me, but for my family, I think that it's shown me the importance of a smile and empathy and compassion and genuine personal care, and how, those small gestures or the way you talk to a patient can really make or break their experience, can really change their outcome, and change the way that they see, what comes after. And I think that I was very fortunate to have such incredible healthcare professionals, who pushed me to persevere in the face of adversity. There have been, numerous big hurdles that I've had to go through and have ended back, in the trauma center or at the hospital, and sometimes it just seems like you can never catch a break. That one challenge after another keeps on coming, keeps on, showing itself to me, and it's difficult to go through it. But it's people like Dr. Tejpar and my nurses who just say, you're stronger than you seem. You're more resilient. I know you can do it. And it's the words of encouragement, and it's the support, and it's just that warm smile that things may not be okay right now, but they will be.
So much of what we do in trauma and intensive care medicine has bad outcomes. People don't make it out of our ICU sometimes, and if they do, they come back quickly. And sometimes it feels defeating, and sometimes it feels like there's more disease in the world that we can sort of stomp out. It's a lot to deal with. And I think what keeps people going, I know what keeps us motivated, what makes me want to come to work every day, is because there are chances, little, tiny, rare, but amazing chances to really be someone's hero and to make a difference and save someone's life in a way that's meaningful and durable and long-lasting, and keeps that person as special as Serena in the world for the next 60 years. And every nurse and every RT and therapist and doctor in that unit sees a person like Serena and sees the kind of one sort of magical miracle that you're hoping for when you come to work in the morning.
Physical, psychological, emotional pain, it's all there. And I think that it only makes me who I am, and it only makes me stronger. So I'm hoping to use it, and I tell myself this every day, that you've been through worse, and using this is kind of a driving force to get me to continue to achieve my goals. And I don't even know if I'm in the place to give advice, because I'm still going through it today. But it's taking those days and being okay with the idea that, things are not great. Things suck, and sometimes you take 2 steps forward and 1 step backward, and it's okay to be upset. I think that sometimes tears and crying are seen as weakness, but it's not. I think it's a sign of strength, that despite it all, you're persevering.